Welcome to Make Life Smart, where the outdoors meets next-level innovation. What if camping felt smarter, easier, and surprisingly futuristic? In this video, Insane Camping Inventions That Will Blow Your Mind 2026, we're uncovering gear that transforms the way you explore nature. Stay with me, because once you see these, your idea of camping will never be the same. Number 1. Meet the Volt Pump, a compact outdoor tool that combines ignition and inflation into one smart device. It's built for adventures where simplicity and reliability matter most. At first glance, it looks small and lightweight, but the moment you use it, you realize how powerful it really is. Need to inflate gear? It handles it quickly and effortlessly. Need to start a fire? It ignites with precision, even in challenging conditions. What makes Volt Pump truly impressive is its dual functionality. Instead of carrying multiple tools, you have one device that saves space, time, and effort. Imagine setting up camp faster, preparing your gear without hassle, and handling essential tasks with ease, all from a single compact unit. It's portable, efficient, and designed for real adventure. This isn't just a gadget, it's a smarter way to travel light and stay prepared. And once you experience that level of convenience in the wild, going back to separate tools might feel like unnecessary weight. Number 2. Meet the Backpacker, the lightest integrated camping stove designed for those who want maximum performance with minimum weight. Because when you're outdoors, every gram matters, and so does reliability. At first glance, it's incredibly compact, but once you set it up, it transforms into a powerful cooking system that heats quickly and efficiently even in unpredictable conditions. What makes it truly special is its integrated design. Everything fits together seamlessly, no complicated setup, no wasted space, just a clean, ready-to-use solution for cooking on the go. Imagine preparing a hot meal in the middle of nowhere without carrying bulky gear or spending time setting things up. It's fast, efficient, and built for real adventure. This isn't just a camping stove, it's freedom to cook anywhere without compromise. And once you experience that level of portability and performance, traditional camping gear might start to feel unnecessarily heavy. Number 3. Meet the NaviCore, an outdoor navigation multifunctional compass tool designed for moments when direction truly matters. It's not just about finding your way, it's about staying confident wherever you go. At first glance, it looks like a compact, rugged tool, but once you use it, you realize it's built for real adventure. It combines precise navigation with multiple survival features, giving you more than just direction. It gives you control. What makes NaviCore truly valuable is its reliability. No batteries, no signals, just consistent performance when technology can't be trusted. Imagine exploring deep trails, unknown terrain, or remote areas knowing you always have a dependable guide in your hand. It's simple, durable, and designed to keep you oriented in any situation. This isn't just a compass, it's a smart survival companion. And once you experience that level of confidence outdoors, relying only on digital tools might not feel like enough anymore. Number 4. Meet the Umak, a uniquely designed sleeping bag with a built-in mattress that completely redefines how you rest outdoors. Because after a long day of adventure, comfort shouldn't be optional. At first glance, it looks like a premium sleeping bag, but the moment you set it up, you realize it's more than that. The integrated mattress lifts you off the ground, giving you proper support, insulation, and a much more comfortable sleeping experience. What makes Umak truly special is how it simplifies everything. No separate mats, no extra gear to carry or set up, just one complete system that's ready in moments. Imagine lying down after a long hike, feeling supported, warm, and relaxed, instead of dealing with uneven ground or discomfort. It's designed to keep your body aligned, reduce pressure points, and help you wake up refreshed, not sore. Lightweight, practical, and thoughtfully built, it fits perfectly into modern outdoor living. This isn't just a sleeping bag, it's a smarter way to sleep under the stars. And once you experience that level of comfort in nature, going back to traditional setups might not feel worth the effort anymore. Number 5. Meet the BougeRV T1, a portable telescopic light built to outlast your toughest adventures. It's not just about brightness, it's about having reliable light exactly where and when you need it. At first glance, it looks compact and easy to carry, but the moment you extend it, it transforms into a powerful lighting source, rising above your setup and illuminating a wide area with ease. What makes it truly impressive is its endurance. Designed for long-lasting performance, it keeps shining through extended trips without constantly worrying about recharging. Imagine setting up camp, working outdoors, or exploring at night with clear, stable lighting that reaches every corner. The telescopic design gives you flexibility, adjust the height, angle, and coverage to match your environment perfectly. It's durable, efficient, and built for real-world conditions where reliability matters most. This isn't just a light, it's your dependable companion after the sun goes down. And once you experience that level of visibility and control outdoors, basic lighting might not feel enough anymore. Number 6. Meet the CYANLAMP M12R, a mini 7 LED clip-on light that proves small can still be powerful. It's compact, lightweight, and designed to go wherever you go. At first, it feels like a simple accessory, but the moment you switch it on, it delivers bright, focused lighting that's perfect for low-light situations, whether you're outdoors, working, or on the move. What makes it truly practical is its clip-on design. Attach it to your bag, cap, or gear, and you instantly have hands-free lighting exactly where you need it. Imagine navigating the dark, fixing something quickly, or lighting up your surroundings without carrying bulky equipment. It's portable, efficient, and ready when you need it. This isn't just a small light, it's everyday convenience in your pocket. And once you get used to having light this accessible, going without it might not feel as easy anymore. Number 7. Meet the NESTOne, a smart hub designed to unlock infinite possibilities in your daily life. It's not just a device, it's the center where everything connects and works together. At first glance, it looks clean and minimal, but the moment you start using it, you realize how powerful it is. It brings your devices, routines, and environments into one seamless system. What makes it truly next level is its flexibility. You can create different scenarios, adjust lighting, control devices, or automate tasks all with a single action. Imagine your space adapting instantly to your needs, whether you're working, relaxing, or setting the perfect mood. It's intuitive, responsive, and designed to simplify complexity. This isn't just a hub, it's control redefined. And once everything starts working together like this, going back to disconnected devices might not feel as smooth anymore. Thanks for watching Make Life Smart. Subscribe and stay ahead.